I will show you how I search and how I can do it with rocket science precision style of search across all the search engines that are probably in existence and online by going through Cirx, or search but with an X, which is kind of cute, I guess, right? Here is Cirx.space. I'll leave a link in the description. Here are the instances that you will see which ones are online and which ones are working good. As you see, they're all right here. But for example, I'm in the US and I want to search a search instance that is kind of closer to me because it would be easier to search. And in this case, I have one, Catalyst US, for example, bearsearch.org. Open it, new window, so you can see it's still in searching. It's just an instance of Cirx, so you're still within it. You go to preferences right here. This is your general area, for example, how you want it to behave with general search, with images, videos, and you can select if you want them all to behave the same as selected. But what I'm more interested here is engines. That is what matters to me the most. For example, in general, what engine would you like your results to be from? Now, these are just options. If it has safe search option, if it has time range option, and the weight, and the response times. Now, response time matters if your internet is not that fast or if you're in a server that's far away. But if you are looking for a pinpointed search, I don't think that matters too much, especially sometimes that I'm looking for a specific key search. In that case, I would go, for example, turn on Bing, turn on Brave, DuckDuckGo, Google, Mojeek, Quant. Mojeek sometimes doesn't work, I noticed, but I'll give it a try. Start page, Yahoo, let me just turn it on, and you have wikis, you have without further subgrouping. These are kind of untested, you would go, but if you're searching for something you need, well, I would go with TinEye. Maybe I want some responses from TinEye as well, and let's say this is good for me. I'm good with that. I hit save right here. And now, for example, I go search. Let me search just for Omnitech. I know it will come up with the Omnitech companies. And here we have from Yahoo. You can go next page. It will give you Yahoo and Bing, Bing, Yahoo, Bing, Brave, Bing, Bing and Yahoo together, Google together, and all those searches. We may not have turned on Google. That's why you're not seeing Google at first. By the way, this has nothing to do or against Google or Brave or DuckDuckGo. I obviously use them all the time, but this is a way to search like a boss, to seriously pinpoint a search term that you're looking for. So, in here, for example, I want to search for Omnitech videos. What other videos are besides my own channel that contain Omnitech? Well, for example, I know it's Columbia Wear that has Omnitech with a dash on the middle, but I want to search, for example, last month. How many Omnitech videos are there? Let's go right here from last month, and obviously you're gonna see my own videos here. There's Bing videos and YouTube videos. I am not aware of my videos being on anywhere else but YouTube, so Bing of course has those. Google videos, Bing and YouTube, which is, you might as well say Bing and Google. Here's Google videos. This is more on YouTube, Bing and YouTube, Google and YouTube that are cached on those search sites. So this is absolutely crucial to search with pinpoint accuracy and see search results that otherwise would not be exactly available. Let's say, for example, I want to search for OBS mobile. What if there's an OBS mobile, right? But I want to go to files. Now here, I would have to go to preferences and change the search engines. Because now I'm looking for files, and this one would click files here. And when I go to engines, now I need to go to files because I'm searching for files. These, when you save, it will keep it saved, so you don't need to do it every day. APK Mirror, Apple App Store, F-Droid, Google Play, 1337 if you want to go that route, NYA, Open Repos, Library Genesis, Tokyo Shokan. I'm not gonna touch that one. I'm gonna click save, and I'm gonna do OBS mobile, which it will yield 0 results. I know that, but just in case it has results, we will do it that way. Now we are here, we have enhanced searches. Now that would consider having OBS mobile, or will give you something that's close. As you see, DroidCam for OBS, IMS Dock Observer, Apple App Store, Google Play apps, APK Mirror. Let's say, for example, you want to search for Easy Tether. Easy Tether. Hit search. And let's see what we see here. Let's go to Files again with Easy Tether. And as you see, we have Solid Torrents, BT4G. This is interesting. Google Play apps, Apple App Store. What would be kind of a similar app there? Google Play apps again. And as you see, so on and so forth. It will give you closer ones unless, as you see, for example, some people are not aware that Tethered does exactly the same job as Easy Tether. So if you know what Easy Tether is, you know Tether does the same job. So as you see, these results gave you that option right there. And as you see, one thing, there's no ads around here. And I love that. There's no paid sponsors and all that. But if you want to donate, you click donate here and you can go donate to the guy that did this instance. Cameron, thank you for making this instance. It's working really good from where I'm at. I will donate later because I might donate later because I'm still checking how this is working. And in my opinion, this is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And if you're in a country that, for example, you don't want to go through the whole list, you have it right here. DE, for example, for Deutschland or Germany. But I'm in US. I can just hit US and it will show me all the US. Or DE, show me all in Deutschland. Or if there's any in Italy, which seems to be none at the moment, it will show me those there too. Or for example, let's say I want to go in Netherlands. You know, we are all aware what Netherlands is friendly towards. Some downloads. It's a good job. Netherlands accepts that. So why am I talking so much? I'm talking so much because this is an option for you for free, open source. And yes, you have other options to build your own instance. Almost like building your own Google based on this one. There's millions of videos on YouTube that you can go through and learn how to do it. This is not the video to teach or learn that. This video is just to point you how you can search like a real boss for any kind of file types, any kind of media, news, whatever you like to search. You can pinpoint it to where you want to, or you can search the Onion sites with a Tor. And these are the online versions that you see right now, for example. And you can go with that stuff. Offline and error is what gives you kind of a report. These are the engines that we have available right now. 77 instances that are alive at this moment. And you can go through all of them right here, for example. You can click any of the links. It will take you straight to the search site itself. It's like the other one, but this is a different instance. It's on a different server. It's tweaked in a different way. Let's search, for example, for Omnitech here. It should be similar to the other one, but for example, here is giving us Google results first instead of Bing results or DuckDuckGo results. And this is the beauty of these different instances, that you have options. That is the beauty. You have options to choose from. And this is Omnitech, for example, here. You can search from any time and from any country. Let's see what shows up if you search from Germany and go to images. Similar, not exactly the same, but quite similar. This is beautiful, and I believe this is an invaluable tool if you do a lot of research and search and all that. And you can search on social media as well if you want to. These are pictures in social media somehow. I'm not really into searching too much on it right now, but you can do that if you wish so. And this was my video of how to search like a boss and save time and money probably. And with that said, we will see you next time. Please like and subscribe and share it with somebody that you might think they need or want to see it. Bye!